Today we are going to read chapter first, marvelous plants. Marvelous means wonderful plants. The plant kingdom is full of amazing. Amazing means wonderful plants. Given below are the pictures and description of some such plants. Find out their names and write them in the space provided. So let's start the chapter. First is commonly known as tree of heaven. It grows rapidly. Rapidly means quickly and is found in areas with temperate climate rather than the tropics. Temperate means not so hot, not so cold climate. And the tree name is Ailanthus altissima. Second is this is an evergreen tree. Its leaves are thick. Tough means strong. Triangular means in shape, in triangle shape, and with razor sharp edges. Edges means corner, and the edges corner of the leaves that are very sharp, and tips. Tips means at the point that is very also sharp. Even monkey find it difficult to climb, hence popularly known as monkey puzzle trees. And the monkeys find difficult to climb these trees, so this tree is known as monkey puzzle tree. And the name of the tree is Araucaria. Next, this tree is a native to Madagascar, mainland Africa, Arabia, and Australia. Mostly this tree is found in Madagascar, mainland Africa, Arabia, and Australia. This tree stores water inside the swollen trunk up to 1,20,000 liters, and this tree can store water inside its trunk. Okay, and how much it can store water? 1,20,000 liters. In order to withstand extremely dry or drought like weather, and it stores water inside because in a dry and the drought season weather it can survive. And the tree name is baobab tree. Baobab tree. Next, this tree is also called the tree of death. It is called so because it has spiny means thorn, spiny cones which can weigh up to 18 kilograms. Okay, this tree is known as tree of death, and it has coins which are spiny, and its weight is 18 kilograms. If these heavy spines cone fall from their hanging up height of about 80 feet on the head of passers-by, they can be fatally injured. Fatally injured means seriously hurt. If these spiny cones they fall from the height of 80 feet on the head of any person, that person can be seriously injured. And the tree name is Bunya Bunya tree. Next, this tree is one of the oldest trees on earth. Native to China, it is mostly found in China. Its roots and bark are used in traditional medicine and as a source of food. Its roots and bark they are used in medicine and as a source of food. And the tree name is ginkgo tree. Thanks.